Welcome to Chatter Bites. This is a new series I like to call Fun with Science. Today's science experiment, I have instructions from my mom. So I have a plate of whole milk, a fork, food coloring, a dishwasher tablet with 3 different colors, not for eating though, don't know what brand it is. Then I have Q-tips. And that's all I have. Oh, and my safety goggles. So first, I have to put a little food coloring and decorate this whole milk plate. So, 1 drop there, 1 drop there, 1 drop there, 1 drop there. That's the first circle. This is the second circle. 1 drop there, 1 drop there, 1 drop there, 1 drop there. I like how the colors are slowly spreading in the milk. It's like they're suddenly replicating themselves, even though I didn't put that much. Third ring, drop of that, there, there, there. And that's about all I can do. And since I don't have enough space for this yellow in the center, I'll just do it in these corners. Like so. Ooh, it looks so pretty. I like how the colors are just expanding. So pretty. Now, I take the dishwashing tablet, using the bowl I kept here. I use this fork, puncture a hole in the earbud, and rub it in the detergent. Then, wow, this is impressive. Look at it. It's just running away from the detergent. Look at it, it's like the colors running away from the detergent. This is so weird. I do not understand this at all. I can tell why my mom said it was gonna be fun. Well, that was very fun and interesting. I wonder why it did that. Let me go find out. So, I did some research, and according to the American Chemical Society, the reason why this reaction happens with detergent and milk is because we all know that things are made of molecules, right? Well, milk is made of mainly water molecules. And it also has protein and fat molecules. All of these molecules have positive and negative charges, like the detergent molecules. So, when we dip the detergent into the milk, the negative end of the detergent is attracted to the positive end of the water molecules, causing, and in magnet theory, positive attracts negative. So the detergent molecules just fly right towards the water molecules, pushing them along with the food coloring molecules, creating this reaction. That was a very fun experiment. It was cheap and fun. I recommend some modifications you can make to this experiment is adding more or less milk. And you can also add many different colorings. I just added yellow, green, blue, and red. But you could use the other colors and become the next Picasso. You can also try different kinds of soap, like hand soap or dishwashing detergent. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section below what happens. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.